Hello dear students, a very warm good morning to all of you and welcome back in a biology session. So my dear students, as we know that in our last video lecture, we have started our new lesson, that is weather, climate and adaptations of animal to climate. So regarding this lesson, already we have discussed one of the important point, that is we have discussed about the weather. So in today's session we are going to move for the next one point, that we are going to discuss about the climate. Okay, so my dear students, weather and climate, actually whenever we are using this word, we can use randomly word these. Okay, today's weather is so pleasant, today's climate is very good, but actually there is one of the major important differences there between the weather and climate. As we know that the weather can change day to day, time to time, hour to hour. Okay, means weather, we cannot predict the weather throughout the day, it will remains the same. It can change within the fraction of time also, within the fraction of minute also. Okay, so this is about weather. But what is mean by climate? Okay, so let's discuss what is mean by climate. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, says 25 years, is called the climate of the place. Okay, it means for the average weather pattern taken over a long time, at almost we can say about 25 years, then it is called as what? Climate. Now average means what? See, as we know that every day we are taking the weather forecast, every day with the help of the weather forecast we are getting the information about the weather. So from that, if we come to know that every day in the certain particular area, if we talk about the desert, if we calculate if we see the weather of the desert, then every day we will find out that maximum temperature is more. Okay, the maximum temperature is more and the minimum temperature is less. So it means what? From that, all that some years or some months observation we will take in mind, we will consider that observations and we will take the mean of that all temperature, and from that we will come to know that in the desert the climate is what? Hot. Okay, hot and dry, because there is almost no rain, there is a very scarcity of the rain. So we can say that in the desert there is a hot and dry climate. Okay, so this is about what? Climate. Now my dear students, let's see the next point about the climate, that if we find that the temperature at a place is hot of the time, then we say that the climate of that place is hot. Or if we can say that the temperature regarding any place is high throughout the time, then we can say that the climate of that place is hot. Next one, if there is a heavy rainfall, okay, if there is also heavy rainfall on most of the days on a certain place, okay, if there is a continuously rainfall, if we take one place, if in that place if there is a continuously rainfall, okay, then we can say that the climate of that place is what? Hot also and wet also. Hot and wet. For example, we can say in the Mizoram there is a highly rain. Okay, so we can say the climate of that place is what? Hot and wet. Next one, we can say that the mean temperature for the months. Okay, so we can find out the mean temperature for the months in a two steps. So there are the two steps to find out the mean temperature. First, that we find the average of the temperature of certain months. See, now here I am showing one chart. So in that chart you can see the observations, okay, daily minimum and daily maximum temperature. So if you want to find out the climate of this place, so see here I have the observation table of Srinagar, that is Jammu and Kashmir, the information about climate regarding Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Also I am having one other table, that is information about the climate but regarding which place? Thiruvananthapuram, which is situated in the Kerala. So we can find out the mean, or we can find out the average of temperature with the help of the two steps. The first one is that we can find out the average or the mean average of the certain month. Okay, mean average of the certain month. So see here in the chart we can say there are the 12 months climate weather condition reports are given in the January. If we'll take the daily minimum temperature, then it is -2.3. Then the daily maximum temperature, if we'll take, then it is 4.7, and the rainfall is what? 57. So in this way, if we'll take the mean of the daily minimum temperature, how to take the mean, how to find out the average total number, that is addition of the total daily minimum temperature divided by 12, then we are getting the daily minimum temperature average. Okay, so this is the first step, means we can consider the observations of different month. With the help of that, we can get to know the mean temperature, or we can get to know the idea about the climate. Second one is that we can calculate the average, okay, over the many years. We can take, or we can consider the observations regarding previous years, and by that observations we can take the mean and we can predict the climate. Okay, so this one is there are the two steps. We can consider the months, or we can consider the years. Next one is there, if we'll talk about, let's take one example. If we'll talk about the western region of India, for example Rajasthan, then if we'll talk about the Rajasthan, then the first thing comes in our mind, that is what? Sand. Everywhere there is a sand. Okay, so the western region of India, for example Rajasthan, will show that the temperature is high during most part of year. So if we'll talk about the Rajasthan, the temperature is almost high during the most part of year, means throughout the year. If we'll take the calculation of 1 year, observation of 1 year, then we can find out that within a year, most of the time, most of the day, or most of the part of the year, the temperature is high. But during winter, which lasts only for the few months, the temperature is quite low. But the next thing is that, as we know that in the desert there is a climatic condition, we can say extremely cold during the night time and extremely hot during the daytime. So if we'll talk about the winter season, which is last only for the few months, like that we can say 3 to 4 months. Okay, so during that time the temperature is quite low, but remaining 8 months the temperature remains high only, or the temperature is hot. Okay, the temperature is high, that's why it is very hot. So also this region receives the very little rainfall. So this is the desert climate, that is what? Hot and dry. Okay, so 4 months there is a less temperature, but 8 months there is almost high temperature, that is it is very hot. Rainfall is also very less throughout the year. That is the reason we can say that in the desert, how is the climate? Hot and dry. Okay, hot and dry. Okay, so this is all about climate. Okay, so my dear students, I hope that you have understood about this concept, that is weather and climate. Okay, so see in the chart of, if we'll go through the chart of the Jammu and Kashmir, then we can come to know with the help of the average that in the Jammu and the Kashmir, how is the temperature? The temperature is very low. Okay, the temperature is very low, and because of that we can say that in the Jammu and Kashmir has a moderately hot and wet climate for the part of the year. But if we'll talk about the Kerala, then in the Kerala we can say there is a hot and wet climate. There is a hot and wet climate because the rainfall is more in the Kerala. Okay, and the temperature is also high, so we can say what? Hot and wet climate. But if we'll talk about the Jammu and Kashmir, then we can come to know the moderately less temperature they are having, so we can say moderately hot and the wet climate for the part of the year. Okay, so this is all about climate. Here we will stop. We will meet in the next video with the next point. For today, thank you.